Welcome to another biology presentation. So in this presentation, we are going to look at biology paper 2 for 2024. Our focus will be based on section B, question 1. So let us look at the question. So here is our question 1, section B. Describe cholera as a disease under the following: A, method of transmission; B, signs; C, treatment; C2, method of control. So let us look at our question A. Describe cholera as a disease under method of transmission. So first of all, we understand that cholera is a bacterial disease that is caused by the causative agent called the Vibrio cholera. So this Vibrio cholera, it is common found in fecal matters. Okay, it's also found in contaminated food. It is also found in if we come across direct contact with infected people. Infected people's bodily fluids, we can get this bacteria. So how can we describe cholera as a disease under the method of control? So we know that cholera is a bacterial disease that causes severe diarrhea, leading to dehydration and potentially death if left untreated. So cholera is primarily transmitted through contaminated water and food. So we can write our answer in paragraph form as cholera is a bacteria disease that causes severe diarrhea, leading to dehydration and potential death if left untreated. Cholera is primarily transmitted through contaminated water and food. So this Vibrio cholera is the causative agent for cholera. It's the one that causes the cholera. So we have answered our question 1A. We now move on to our question 1B. Describe cholera as a disease under science. So here we need to describe cholera as a disease under science. So here we know that cholera is characterized by several key signs and symptoms, which includes watery diarrhea, vomiting, muscle cramps, dehydration signs, and restlessness, etc. So watery diarrhea, this means that it can lead to rapid fluid loss, and vomiting, this occurs in the early stages, contributing to dehydration. Then dehydration signs, this includes rapid heart rate, dry mucous membranes, low blood pressure, extreme thirst. Muscle cramps, these are caused due to dehydration, poor blood flow to the muscles, etc. So we can write our answer in paragraph form as cholera is characterized by several key signs and symptoms, which includes watery diarrhea, vomiting, muscle cramps, dehydration signs, restlessness, etc. Watery diarrhea, this can lead to rapid fluid loss. Vomiting, this occurs in the early stages, contributing to dehydration. Dehydration signs, this includes rapid heart rate, dry mucous membranes, low blood pressure, extreme thirst. Mucus cramps are caused due to dehydration, poor blood flow to the muscles. So this is how we can describe cholera as a disease under science. So we now move on to our question 1C. So under question 1C, we have C1 and C2. So we are going to start with C1. So describe cholera as a disease under treatment. So here we need to look at how we can treat cholera. So the primary treatment for cholera focuses on replacing the lost fluids and the electrolytes. So this can be done by taking oral rehydration solution, intravenous fluids that can quickly replace fluids and the electrolytes. It can also be done by taking antibiotics, which can shorten the duration of diarrhea and reduce the amount of bacterial shed. So we can write our answer in SO form as the primary treatment for cholera focuses on replacing lost fluids and the electrolytes. This can be done by taking oral rehydration solution, intravenous fluids that can quickly replace fluids and electrolytes. Also taking antibiotics, which can shorten the duration of diarrhea and reduce the amount of bacterial shed. So here, that's why if you see that a person is suffering from cholera, they tend to lose a lot of water because of the diarrhea that they have. So in order to maintain the blood fluids in the body, people are encouraged to taking oral rehydration of sorts, okay, so that they replace the fluids and the electrolytes that have been lost from the body. So this is how we can answer our question 1, C1. Let us now look at our question 1, C2. Describe cholera as a disease under method of control. So under the method of control, we understand that we are looking at how we can prevent cholera, how we can contain it. Okay, so here we can write our answer in essay form. We know that preventing cholera outbreaks relies on improving sanitation, hygiene, and access to clean water. Safe water ensures access to safe drinking water and proper sewage treatment. Hygiene promotes hand washing with soap, especially after using the toilet and before preparing food. So when we follow through these measures, we can prevent cholera, or we can control cholera. So we can write our answer in essay form as preventing cholera outbreaks relies on improving sanitation, hygiene, and access to clean water. Safe water ensures access to safe drinking water and proper sewage treatment. Hygiene promotes hand washing with soap, especially after using the toilet and before preparing food. So make sure that after using the toilets, you wash your hands with soap regularly. Okay. Again, you also ensure that as you are preparing food, you wash your hands so that you do not contaminate the food. In doing so, you may end up getting the bacterium that causes the cholera, which is Vibrio cholera, and you can suffer from cholera. Okay, so we've now come to the end of our presentation. Thank you so much, everybody, for having time to view this content. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye-bye.